Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Plum Paper vertical columns that I'm using as a social media planner, and I thought that I would use this beautiful sticker sheet from Pleasantly Planned. This one is the Distinguished sticker sheet, and it's part of her January release, so make sure that you guys use code Stephany15. That way you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase. And then I also have this colorful box sheet, and then I have my Simply Smith stickers. So let's go ahead and get started. All of the sticker shops will be linked down in the description box below. So let's see, where could we start? I think I want to place these ones just off to the side. So of course I need some boxes. So I'm thinking about maybe using these right here. So with the colorful boxes, you get a choice of 3 sticker sheets. So 2 solid colors and then one that has 3 different colors along with like script stickers and washi tape. So you definitely have a choice when it comes to that. So, yeah, I think maybe we could do like a little staircase going on. Or, okay, nope, I think I'm gonna scratch that. And I think that I want to focus like on the middle of the page. So yeah, I think I'm gonna place this one here and then this one right here. And there's 3 days and only 2 boxes, but I can always list 2 videos in one or however I see fit. So yeah, these boxes are amazing to just jot down my videos for the week. It definitely draws my eye to the box so I know what is going to go live. So let's see. Okay, so I'm thinking about using these long boxes. And again, sticking to the middle of the page. And so one box could be for Thursday and Friday, and then the other one could be for Saturday and Sunday. So actually, I want to open this so I can kind of see where I should lay this down. So it looks like right about here. Right? I think so. Maybe here. Okay. So there's that, and then let's go, yeah, okay, up here. Okay, perfect. So this is the end of the full week in January, so I thought that these florals would be super cute for that. I love the blues and the greens and then like hints of lavender. I think it is so pretty, and I just love that the blue matches like the color scheme already on the page, so it's definitely a win-win. So let's see. So I'm looking at this one, and this one is the paper version of her stickers. She has an option between like clear and paper. So how about I place this one maybe like right here. Okay, so just like that, and then what could I do? Okay, let's scrub this one and see if maybe we can either place it down here or up here. Okay, I think I want to do it over here and maybe use a straight sticker for this one. So the straight one is this one. So I've been doing a lot better about posting videos, and I actually started posting them at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I don't know, it kind of feels weird because I've always uploaded my videos in the morning at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So it has been like a little bit of an adjustment, and I'm even thinking about switching and even doing them again at 9 a.m. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it because it definitely feels super weird uploading like that late in the day. Okay, so look at how this looks. So far, so good. I am really loving it. And then, let's see, I was gonna do a flower here, but I feel like this is just way too much. So I think what I want to do now is grab the little circles that are here and then place them on the sidebar, because this indicates all of the videos that I need to film for the week. And as they're being filmed, I kind of just cross them off. Well, not cross them off, but check them off. So I want to space them, and then this adds a little bit of color as well. Okay, so there's that. And then I think one or two more. Let's see. So then space, and then, okay, so just the one. Okay, perfect. So then, I actually didn't even know what I want to do over here. I think maybe I'm just gonna add a flower. I don't know. I guess I didn't think about this little area here. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so maybe like right there, and then let's go ahead and add my script sticker so I can kind of see how everything turns out. Oh, actually, I don't think I mentioned that I wanted to use my grid washi tape. It's been a while since I've used it in this style. I always kind of use it in my Go Get a Girl planner, but I haven't used it here. So I thought that I would kind of bring it in. So maybe like right there, and then I could do the other one down here. Okay, so it looks like I did both of them on the bottom. Okay, there we go. Did I kind of want to do a small little one there? Okay, so yeah, I think that looks good. And then I was saying that I was going to add a little flower here. And then I could cover it with top priorities. And I might still do that actually. I don't know. Let's just go ahead and lay these little headers down and then see how we feel about it. So there, and then there. I love this layout so much. I feel like I can just list everything that needs to get done for the day. So 2 more. And I'm actually running out of these. I might have a second page. I'm not too sure. So I have to check on that, because if I don't, I need to place another order. Okay, so so I do have these single flowers, because I'm thinking that I might use them here. No, right? No, I'm just gonna keep it to the little clusters. Yeah, because I was gonna add another one over here, but no, never mind. Okay, so I think over here, if I'm going to add anything, maybe I could add this one. That kind of covers up way too much. Okay, so maybe we can use this one. And maybe, I think I'm going to end up covering that up. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to take it off, and that way I can place this sticker down, because I would rather use up my deco stickers. Okay, so let's try that one again, and then maybe I can place it like right over here. And now, oh, yeah. Now I can place my top priority sticker. It just adds a little bit of decoration, so I love that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, look, that looks so pretty, right? And then let's see. So I think I'm all done with my script stickers. And let's see. Okay, I am actually loving this whole like middle of the page because I usually like stick to the top. And so yeah, this is looking really pretty. And now I don't even know if I want to add anything else because I am really obsessed. I always say a little bit goes a long way, and that definitely applies to this spread. I love the colors. I love the placement of the boxes. This is something new, and I think I'm going to try it again some other time because I really like the way that this turned out. I love the washi. I am so glad that I ended up adding this at the very last minute because it definitely adds a little bit more decoration and it just looks pretty. Everything will be linked down in the description box below, but for now, I am obsessed with the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephany Happily Plans, and I'll see you next time.